What is up, ukulele backers? Ukulele backers, and to give you a walkthrough of a song called Adonai by Hillsong Worship. And I'm going to do this on key of A. This is my own arrangement, meaning I did some changes with the chords, and you'll see it in the description below. There's a song sheet. I did some changes with the chords so that it will be easier for the ukulele players like me. Okay, make sure your ukulele is in standard tuning before we continue. G, C, E, and A. Okay, as for the strumming pattern, we're using the most common strumming pattern on ukulele, and that is down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. Let's do this. So the intro on my song sheet goes A, D, E, and F sharp minor. It goes like this: 1, 2, 3, intro. Minor, then break, then verse. I lift my A voice, I lift my, and then B, praise to you. I lift my A, hands, I lift my, and then D, worship, E, to you, oh I. So that's your verse. Now let's go to the pre-chorus. The pre-chorus only has F sharp minor, A, D, and E. And then for the second part, oh I love you more than I can, then D. Say that's all. So let's do the strumming pattern with this. And I love you more, A, than I can, D. Say, then E. Oh I F sharp minor, love you more, A, than I can, D. So that's your verse and your pre-chorus. Now let's go to the chorus. There are so many chords in the chorus, but let's divide it into two so it won't feel like it won't be overwhelming for you as a learner, right? So the first part of the chorus goes, ever I, we have A, will sing E, only D, you will I adore, E, glorify my B minor, Lord. And that's the only time you're going to use B minor in the chorus. Only D, you will I serve, E. So that's basically the first part of the chorus. Ever I will E sing, only D, you will I E adore, glorify my B minor, Lord, only D, you will I E serve. Now this is the second part, which is a little bit tricky. For the F sharp minor, world will fade away, still my song to you remains, only you will I adore. So it goes like this: for the world will fade away. So if you are having a hard time with that, just think like you're dividing the strumming pattern into two chords. So the strumming pattern goes like down, down, up, up, down, up, right? So right after you do the first down, 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 and then you go up, you should shift your chord. Okay, let me show you. For the world, so you stick with the F sharp minor, and then you go to E, and then A, shuffle, using the same strumming pattern but cut it into half. For the world will fade away. You see that? For the world will fade away. Back to the default. Still my song to down, down, up. Okay? Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. So that's how you divide E and A with the same strumming pattern. Okay, so let's do the chorus one more time, but this time first part and second part. Ever I will sing, only you will I basically my own arrangement. I cut the bridge part because I don't have more time to do it in the cover. Feel free to check the cover as well, the play along, so you can jam along with my own arrangement of the chords.